Awesome. Look at that. Right out our back door. She is pregnant and she feels safe. Oh, look at you. She's been working on this nest, well, since yesterday, so. She's gonna have to get used to us going out the door, so. She made a pretty big mess over here. I mean, yeah. But that's a nice looking nest. That's a nice looking nest she got going on there. I thought it was a bluebird, blue jay, but it's not. I don't know where she went. But yeah. And then in the summertime, wasp go in that corner and wasp go in that corner. So this is awesome. We're gonna have a bird's nest with eggs and babies in it. There she is. Well, there she is. Where'd she go? It's hard to see her. There she is. She's really busy today. Oh, she's busy. This is awesome. We never have birds have a nest right outside our back door like this. All the whole 4 years that we've lived here. This is awesome. This is awesome. There she is, see? There she is. She's getting everything she needs right now. There she is. She's really busy right now. She's so busy. She's got nobody to help her. She's by herself making this nest right here. Oh, Birdie making a nest by herself. There you are. Well, I do have a story where I've trained a baby bird to fly. We lived at an old farmhouse and there was a big oak tree. I think it was an oak tree, but the bird was on the bottom branch and I had it on my hand and I kept moving my hand up and down, up and down, up and down. Oh, where'd she go? Well, I kept moving my hand up and down with the bird on my finger and eventually the bird learned how to fly, which was really cool. And I would go like this with the bird on my finger and go like this and the bird would flap its wings and go to the next branch. And I did it again, it'd flap its wings and go to the next branch. Oh, she's busy. She's busy. Oh yeah, she's busy. Oh, she's getting what she needs. She's getting what she needs, see? She's got what she needs. Oh, she doesn't have everything yet? Okay, wait, where'd she go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Yeah, she's getting she's getting everything she needs to finish this nest. You see her flying around everywhere. See, there she is again. Is that her? Right there? No, that's a rock. There she is. There she is. She's getting everything she needs. You got everything? Oh, you got everything you need? Oh, this is the most awesome video. Jeremy, you're gonna love this video, Jeremy. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is. Oh, you're busy. You know what you need? Can't really help her, so I'm not gonna go outside. That would ruin ruin everything. Scare her away. See what she needs. You can take anything you want. That pile right there, you can take all of it. All of it. And you can take whatever you want from that wagon right there, okay? You can have that. This is so awesome. This is so awesome. This is so awesome. Okay, what's she doing? She's got a pile somewhere. You know, she's got a lot of downtime. She's not really doing much. I've never really seen how a bird builds their nest. I don't know what she's doing. Oh, she's getting everything she needs. See? Whatever she needs, she's got it. She's gonna find it. Yes. See, she needs materials. That's what she needs. Yeah, she's getting everything. Materials. Okay, so I thought of a name for her. Going to name her Shoe Fly. And this shoe fly doesn't bother me very much. So, are you going to help build this nest? You're not the same bird. Are you helping? Are you helping? Do they do that? Do they help each other? Because look at this nest. Like, yeah. Look at that. You're doing a good job bird watching. Where'd you go? I don't know where she went. Oh, I forgot I had a string cheese. She's still not back. She's still not back. Okay, well, I gotta go. I'm glad that this bird is building her nest right here. That means she trusts this house. So I'm really happy about that. Okay, God bless you in Jesus' name. And Yeshua's name. Nope, she's still not back.